reinforcement learning-based grasping via one-shot affordance localization and zero-shot contrastive language-image learning. First, an overview of the system pipeline to accomplish grasping. The system takes two key inputs, a brief text description of the target object as well as a labeled query of a similar object. Then, the object is localized so that the robot can grasp using a pre-trained reinforcement learning policy. The query is used to find similar objects in the target image with one-shot affordance matching. The output regions are then fed into a zero-shot object identification, which outputs the region that matches best to the text prompt to localize the target object. Now we demonstrate an autonomous grasp. We have the green pear as the target object in the scene and input an image of the apple. The affordance matching outputs possible regions and clip is used to identify which region is the target. Finally, we use a caging-inspired gripper to perform the grasp. This executes a pre-trained reinforcement learning controller which uses sensor feedback and no camera to execute the grasp. Notice the palm is movable and the fingers closed to enclose the object and then lift it. Our method is robust to position noise. This grasp demonstrates error compensation. Now we aim to grasp the red chips can and input a cola bottle as the query. The target is localized and grasping proceeds. Notice that the object is actually moved by the gripper during the approach. There. Now the object is no longer in the target position that was given to the grasper. So the controller has to compensate. Using feedback, it adjusts the grip of the grasp in order to get a stable final grasp. Finally, we show a summary of the experimental results. We tested on a set of 10 YCB grocery objects with a success rate of 96% for affordance detection, 62.5% for object identification, and 72% for grasping, with these components tested each in isolation. Together, the system achieved a 48% success rate for grasping novel objects in cluttered scenes. Thank you very much for listening.